In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the American Airlines app. Whether you're on an Android phone or an iPhone, the process is quick and straightforward. All you need is a stable internet connection and a little storage space on your device. First, open the app marketplace on your device. On Android, that's the Google Play Store, and on iPhone, it's the App Store. Look for the colorful Play Store triangle or the blue App Store A icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. If the store asks you to sign in, go ahead and log in with your Google or Apple account. This is normal and allows the store to link the download to your device and provide updates later. If you're prompted for your password, a code, or face touch ID, that's simply your device confirming it's really you. Once you're in the store, tap the search bar or the magnifying glass icon. It's usually at the top on Android and either at the top or bottom on iPhone, depending on your version. This brings up the keyboard so you can look up the exact app you want without scrolling through categories. Now, type American Airlines and review the results. You're looking for the official American Airlines app from the verified developer. Check for the recognizable branding and developer name to make sure you're not installing a lookalike. You can also skim the app's rating and the number of reviews to confirm it's the real one. If you see sponsored results or similarly named apps, take a moment to verify you've got the official listing before proceeding. When you've found the correct app, tap the Install button. On Android, it's the green Install button. On iPhone, you'll see a Get button, which may change to Install. You might be asked to confirm with your account or biometrics. That's normal. The download will begin and you'll see a progress indicator. If you're on a slower connection, give it a bit of time. Using Wi-Fi can help the download complete faster and save mobile data. After the installation finishes, the button will change to open and the app icon will appear on your home screen or in your app drawer. That change confirms the download completed successfully. If the store says you need to update your operating system or free up storage, handle that and then return to the app page to try again. That's it. You've successfully downloaded the American Airlines app using the Play Store or App Store, and you're ready for a smoother travel experience.